Oh my God. Guys, look. Kaya isang beses dumaan ako dito. May snake dito, guys. Ay, Diyos ko, mamatay. Matay ako sa nervyos. You know why? Because, oh, Banban, there's Banban from neighbors. Lumabas sa bakod, naging akin na. Kaya, yan ay akin na. Ayun, guys. Ayun. Alice is wala naman akong choice, guys, kasi itong garden namin is sari-sari ang ano nito. Ako lang na lang dito is the missing here is monkey to be a jungle. Tingnan mo, guys, mayroon kaming this is a fruits. It's banana fruits. Ay, hindi pala. This is banana. This is banana farms. If you feel surprised or if you have a questions about banana, how banana grow, it's very easy. But you need to be ready that, banana need more space because they come, grow and grow and grow and then harvest. That's the banana. Did you see that? It's not, you cannot see it here, but there's banana fruits already. One of there, it's over there. Wait, you cannot see it, but this is a jungle fruits. Yes, that we need. Oh, we need monkey. We need monkey in the garden, guys. Don't be surprised that you come here. There's a small insect, we call tungaw, the red small insect that it's make your skin more itchy. As long that they are biting, it's never disappear that itchy if you didn't, kill that small insect. It because there's a lot of plants, guys, and this you cannot see banana here, but honestly there's a fruits already, and one of that is been carrot because they sold out to talipapa, and not bad naman, guys, to have a fruits, but banana is it's make a lot of a lot of space to your garden, and I'm not ready for this kind of jungles gardens. We have a jungles. We have if you want to make soup of what they call that, chicken soup, you can use this one. This one is malunggay. And normally if you go abroad, there's a malunggay too, but you can buy in Asian shop. It's a little bit, dollars price. Yes. And we have what do you call that? Kutapto. This is kutapto, guys. The old types of vegetables. This one. That's kutapto. Yeah. And then we have what? We have the line, the small one. It's like a wild kind of lemons here in Philippines. We call calamansi. The calamansi is look like that, guys. Normally, if you didn't plant that in the plant pots, the small plastic one that you can use for plants, that one, it's never be grow if it's in pudans puta planta bistubil iki planta there, the aldri bleuhoit, but iberklihin for here po Pilipinas ni, here in Philippines, if you plant in the like that, like they can grow. Normally it's tall like a house too. Look, o diba, ayan na yung house ko. My house is there, here, and that's lemon. It's a wild kind of lemon. Did you see that? But calamansi is best, especially if you want to make juice. You can use that for juice. You can use that for sauce. Like it's with soya, it's good too. So there's or you can use that for marinating if you marinate barbecue. And itong garden namin, guys, is there's avocado. Did you see that? Banana is like that. Did you see that? That one, it's not ready yet to harvest. That one. Did you see it? Yeah, that's banana. And this banana, guys, you know what? Even that the other side is there. It's a big big banana there over there. But you know what? Our plant here, our banana, we harvest more, especially in Ilaya. Normally, if Munit harvest, sometimes one sacks of, you know, the using for 50 kilos of rice sacks. It's like that. It's so many kind of so many bananas that they can harvest. I mean, and last time that we harvest avocado, it's one sacks. It's I don't know how many kilos is that, because that sacks is we using for 50 kilos of rice. But you know, if it's avocado, of course, it's so many kilo, right? It's not the same to the kilos of rice, sacks of rice. And alam mo guys, itong little garden namin natin, oh, ito, tingnan mo guys, it's look like a jungle. But these gardens, we don't have plan to remove that. Why? Because we can earn, first we can earn money for that, from banana or any kind of fruits here in the garden. And we can use for our self use it, and you know, um, we can use for our own needs. Yes. Yun guys, ang garden na ito guys ay punong-puno ng masasabi namin na, 'di ba, kapag may tanim ka, sinasabi na ang tanim ay isang kayamanan. Bakit? Kasi yung tanim na yan, itinanim mo ngayon, after 5 years, mayroon kang makukuhang income. Tapos guys, ang lansunis guys, ang dami naming lansunis. Ang dami naming puno ng lansunis. Ayan, lansunis din yan. Ayan, palibot, rambutan. Kasi guys, alam mo dati, yung rambutan tsaka lansunis, parang ang mahal-mahal. Kasi very expensive. It's because it's not too much people who planting, you know, they didn't discover yet to plant more. And now, you know, they grow wild like it's ordinary. It's good to, if you have a mountain, throw to the mountain and then wait after 5 years to 10 years. Makaka-harvest kayo guys. Magwawan to sawa kayo. At yun ang plano ko guys, magtanim. Magtanim hindi biro, maghapong nakatayo, di man lang makaupo, di man lang tayo. Ayun guys, I love basal talaga. You know what is basal? Alam mo yung it's look like long beans, but it's why it's getting more longer. It's because they will come a new plants again. Ayun yung basal guys. Yung na yon, ang sarap nun adobohin. I love basal adobo. Ito guys, mayroon pang si nanay, oh. She didn't discover there's long beans. Long beans is look like this, but this one is not long. It's a part of I think that's kind of beans it came from other country that it's long, but the native is look like this guys, like that only. Yun, nagbabind siya sa trees. So if you plant, be sure that they have a space to bind. Yun. Kailangan mong isipin kung paano mo ibabind ang plants mo. Ayun lang guys, there's agave. This one is taro. This one. And I love taro, it's like potatoes under taro. Ano ba yung taro na laman? Yun yung pinaka the best sa gabi. The best ever. Ginataan na taro, you know. Tapos guys, ito guys, tingnan mo, ito tong mga gabi ni nanay. Pumupunta siya sa Ilaya kasi there's a wild taro there that she can she can get basal. The problems is she's always feel sick because of alam mo yung ano, there's a creator, what we call it, creations in earth that you cannot see. You know, if you hurt or step, they will be mad at you, and then they will give you a sickness. You know, it's like that in Philippines. There's happening in earth that it's not easy to explain because you cannot see it like that. Tanggalin ko nga yung sombrero ko, hindi nyo ako nakikita. Hindi nyo nakikita ang kagandahan ni Rogelia. Ayun yun guys, ayun guys, yung nanuno ka na, nagkaroon ka ng sakit. Kasi si nanay, mahilig magdididihot yan doon sa sa mountain, doon sa kabilang side ng rice field ko. Tapos doon guys, sa kabilang rice field na yun guys, may unggoy, kamukha ni Gabo. Hindi guys, loko lang, joke ko lang kasi yung pamangkin ko. Doon sa kabilang mountain na yun guys, masyadong mariit. Mariit, kapag sinabing mariit is dangerous to the person go because you know, you cannot see them, they will hurt you like that. It's not easy to explain if you are not a Filipino. It's only Filipino can relate or can experience like that. Or they can experience like that. Yeah. And you know what guys, Anis is our garden, my garden. Ayun na guys, kailangan lang namin ng mga siguro 1 monkey okay na kasi alam mo naman yung monkey, 'di ba? Makulit 'yan. Pero alam mo guys, yung nanay ko once na yung gabi niyang malalaki guys, malalaki ang laman after how many months, may nag-harvest. Nasa loob na ng garden ko siguro dahil bukas doon sa gate ko, doon sa harap ng bahay. Nawawala yung gabi niya guys na malalaki, yung initlog. Pag sinabing initlog, it means there's a potatoes under already, taro potatoes like that. I don't know how can I explain in English. It's hard to explain. Ayun yun guys, yung taro ni nanay guys, ninakaw. Diyos ko. Panawagan nga pala sa nagnakaw. Bawal magnakaw ngayon. Magtanim-tanim din pag may time. Mag-isip-isip na ang pagtanim ay hindi biro. Okay? Hindi yung tinanim niya, inani mo. Magtanim kayo. Huwag kayong mag-isip na magnakaw ng tanim ng kapitbahay nyo dahil ang kapitbahay nyo ay masipag. Magbanat-banat kayo ng buto. Hindi na uso ang tamad sa mundo ngayon. Gets nyo na? Pasintabi sa mga magnanakaw. Say hi and hello to my video. Okay? Mag-say hi ka. Ayun, kung ninakaw mo, be honest enough. I-posted mo. Complete name, address, with signature. Hindi namin kasalanan kung tamad kayo, no? Bakit? Kasi tingnan mo yung garden. Tingnan mo yung garden namin. Jungle to. This is Antaran Jungle Garden. Ayun, kailangan namin. May ahas na dito, guys. Naku, may ahas na. Ang kulang na lang ay unggoy. Unggoy, lion, giraffe, elepante, na malaki ang tiyan. Ayun, dito kailangan welcome sa aming garden. Tignan mo, this is pineapple guys. Let's me show you. Aray ko, nangangati ako. It's itchy. This is pineapple. This is Hawaiian pineapple. This is not native kind of pineapple. This is came from Mindanao. This is Hawaiian Hawaiian pizza. Normally, if you buy a Hawaiian pizza, there's a pineapple, right? And this one is a pineapple from Mindanao, like that. Like it's look like that. But there's no fruits yet. And then you know what, guys? Dito nakatanim dito. Guys, yung ginger ko marami ng laman. Ito guys, kung gusto nyong kumuha ng ito guys, this is lemongrass. Lemongrass is look like this. It's look like grass, but it smells good. This one, excuse me, I'm burping. This one guys, you can use this for for any kind of food to smells good, especially chicken. Kaya guys, manghuli na kayo ng chicken. Pumunta kayo sa garden namin, kumatok lang kayo. Kung marunong kayong kumatok, friendly kami to give you what you want. Except my house and lot, okay? You can have our plants if you want, but you need to be nice, okay? Dito guys, yung gabi ng nanay ko dyan guys, yan, na malalaki. Ninakaw! Diyos ko, panawagan nga pala sa kumain. Sana ay lumabas ang gabi sa bunganga mo, magtanim ka. Bawal ang tamad sa amin. Okay, gets mo na? Ayun, mag-comments kayo sa aking YouTube channels. Doon nyo i-posted kung sino ang ninakawan nyo, ha? Complete address. At mag-sorry kayo doon sa langit. Bye!